found the nest in my backyard. Let me see if I can find it. Can't really see it. But good news. You see it? There's still baby birds in there, but they flew out. One flew out later this afternoon, so baby birds come on.